7 Ways to Avoid a Cruise Ship Accident During a Vacation. Charlip Law Group L.C. I am David Charlip. I am a cruise ship accident lawyer and maritime attorney based in Miami, board certified in civil trial litigation, practicing law for 40 years, and an avid cruiser. In fact, I just returned from a 10-day cruise through the Greek Isles. Probably like you, I'm so excited that cruising has restarted now that we're on the way back from this terrible COVID pandemic. Unfortunately, cruise vacations sometimes generate cruise ship injuries. That's why it is important to discuss and think about how you will avoid suffering a cruise ship injury on your long-awaited vacation. Both from the standpoint of my experience from years of cruising as well as my experience litigating cruise ship injuries, I think I know a good deal about what causes many common cruise ship injuries. Taking a cruise vacation can be relaxing, adventurous, educational, and/or a wild party depending upon the itinerary, the ship, and what you want to get out of the many and varied experiences cruising offers. The lure of new experiences, exhilarating rides, adventurous tours, and historical sites challenges you to pack in as much as possible in a short time, with attendant physical stresses as well as difficult choices about stamina, risk, and health concerns. When a rich and plentiful diet, new cuisines, street food, and flowing alcohol are added to the mix, many guests experience a transformation affecting their inhibitions, their normal sense of caution, as well as their normal constitutions. Be aware of your physical limitations. On board, you will be doing a lot of walking, going up and down steps, and potentially other activities such as swimming, rock climbing, or water slides. Onshore, you could be hiking, walking various places, sometimes uphill, sometimes over cobblestones, sometimes up uneven steps, often in the brutal heat of summer. On adventure tours, you could be bicycling, zip-lining, ATVing, or kayaking. Injuries often happen when you are pushing yourself beyond your physical limitations. When you are tired, you lose focus, motor control, and balance. Respect the fact that you are on a moving ship. Depending upon the seas and weather, ships move. When you move about the ship, you need to take care to maintain your balance, use railings, and otherwise take suitable precautions. Don't overindulge. I know you're on vacation and everyone says, well, you know, that extra piece of cake, I really shouldn't have that, but I'm on vacation. What the heck? Don't do it. Yes, you should enjoy yourself. Yes, you should try to take advantage of all the delicious new things. The drinks that are available to you, the food that's available to you. But be aware that when you overindulge, you find that your usual way of doing things changes. Keep in mind that when you do things that you're normally not accustomed to doing, your body is going to react differently, and certainly, when you add alcohol to the mix, that's going to make a major difference. Many cruise ship injuries arise from overindulgence. Whether with alcohol, food, strenuous or new and unfamiliar activities, or just trying to pack too much into too short a time, overindulgence is your enemy. So understand your limitations. Don't overindulge. Focus. Avoid sensory overload. Particularly with the new huge cruise ships nowadays, there's so much sensory stimulation, the different colors, the lights, the moving exciting rides, water slides and activities, the various locales, whether they be park settings, city settings or just dazzling entertainment venues. The latest large cruise ships are designed to present a feast for your eyes and a feast for your imagination. Unfortunately, a byproduct of that design strategy is that those things take your focus off of the normal things you should be paying attention to in terms of tripping and falling. Normally, in our daily lives, we try to be cautious. We try to look down and make sure there are no obstacles. We try to be sure that if weather conditions are bad, we're going to be focusing on gaining solid footing. Dress appropriately. To say dress appropriately on vacation sounds kind of silly. You're on vacation. You want to wear your bathing suit and your flip-flops. That's great, if you're lounging by the pool. But if you are in Rhodes, climbing the 500 uneven steps up to the top of the Acropolis of Lindos, not such a good idea. I've seen women in high heels hiking, walking on cobblestone streets, climbing up numerous uneven steps, or on the beach. Keep in mind the activity that you're engaging in and dress appropriately for that activity. You have no idea how many times folks get into trouble when they're wearing footwear totally different from what they should be wearing for the activity they've chosen. Be responsible for your personal safety. Only you can really be in charge of your personal safety. So, if you're in a position where you feel uncomfortable, you need to say, "No, I'm not doing this." You need to assert yourself and say, "I have an issue with that bicycle that you want me to ride because it doesn't look safe." Or, "That surfboard that you want me to get on to body surf on the surfing simulator doesn't seem suitable for my height and weight." Or, "The seas seem too rough for me to snorkel safely." If you are touring in a particular area and it doesn't look or feel safe to you, or it looks a bit shady, don't go there. If you're involved in tours where the weather conditions look somewhat dicey, you can say, "You know what? Even though you didn't cancel the tour, I'm not going." Be proactive. Ask questions. Take positions on things that you're going to do so that you understand the requirements of a particular tour or activity. Before choosing your activities for the day, make the decision based on information, research, and thoughtful consideration of all the factors that will be affecting you. How do you feel? How is the weather? How long is the tour? How much walking, climbing is involved? Many people just decide to spend their day, however their spouse or their friends or their traveling companions decide to schedule their time in port. It's okay to be a follower and not a leader when it comes to vacations. It is not at all unusual to eschew making decisions of any sort while on vacation. Nevertheless, you still want to be proactive to understand what's going to be involved with your day and what you may encounter so that you're comfortable with and can handle all planned activities. If you are planning to be cruising, I wish you a bon voyage. Although we always wish you to be safe and avoid cruise ship injury, if calamity does strike, Our Miami cruise ship injury lawyers are always here for you at Charlip Law Group L.C. Call me or my staff right from your vacation for counsel, advice, and assistance. Keep in mind 95% of all cruise ship injury lawsuits are contractually required to be filed here in Miami, Florida within one year of your injury.